Hey everyone, this is day 6 of my daily target tracking video, and there are 263 days left for the prelims 2026. I'm recording this pretty late at night and it's already around midnight. You can also see it in the video. So, usually I record the video in the morning, but today I thought maybe I'll do study first and I'll update this later. And I just finished my study, and after 12, as in the I use the forest app for the target tracking, and after 12 in the forest app the new day starts. So whatever I'll be studying after that, it will count in the next day. So for today I was able to manage 6 hours of studies. Yeah, it felt like a productive day, and my targets of today were: I completed the fundamental rights up to Article 24. Then I also watched one optional lecture. I also have to study the notes of the lecture, which I was not able to do it today, so I'll do it tomorrow. Then I'll update you with the topics I studied. And I also practiced answer writing, one GS answer. So, yeah, that was my goal for today, and I was able to complete this in these 6 hours. Looking back, while it wasn't a perfect or tightly organized day, I do feel like it was productive. So, thanks for checking in with me even during these late night updates. I'll make sure to update you tomorrow with my next set of targets and share how the day unfolds. Let's keep it at one day at a time. See you in the next video.